That's
wonderful?
exactly what a freaking Alfred Fairy would say.
Hi, Sty, on I.
That guy.
That guy, Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bye, Sty.
Eat hair.
We're here. We're queer. We're drinking
Well.
coffee. Coffee is a hug and a mug.
'Tis the season.
To be. Oh, it really is jolly.
My fork is going on your plate, and I need to try everything.
Stick a fork in me, I'm done, baby.
Like a potato.
4 minutes in the microwave each.
Is that the magic number?
If you're doing it in
feel
the
like
microwave.
I cook mine for like 7 minutes, and they come out
Per potato.
per potato.
You put water in there.
Yeah, I'll like
Moisten.
dampen. I try to avoid that word.
It's a damp day.
It's a damp day. It is a damp day. Oh.
Perfect day to chill inside. And why do I have more of backdrop on my side? It's like as if I'm like the owner of this channel or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Welcome back. We're transforming my best friend Abby into a sex kitten because she is that.
It's when the insides come on the outside. That's what's happening.
In and out, in and out, sides. Let's get started. We're gonna black down your brows after we put this on.
Oh,
Yeah.
on head. That looked suspicious.
Do you think you can bundle all your hair to like right here?
You know, one thing I have gotten pretty good at doing over the years is bundling hair. Mine, you know, others.
Others. We're hairstylists.
Check me out.
By day.
Check out my bun skills.
I've been seeing your bun skills since I met you.
Oh,
My brat tail.
that looks good. God, you don't even look and it looks like a floral arrangement. This is cute. You're like serving Sasha Velour right now.
Yeah. Bald.
Is it too tight?
No. Okay.
Oh, wow. We're going for pirate realness?
Oh.
We need all the forehead we can work with. Oh, I have hangnails and they're scratching this.
That's
Ew.
not right. Oh, stop that.
That's gross. I need to file.
That's okay.
I don't have any alcohol wipes, so I need some Germix.
Jeremy,
Germix
is it the delicacy of the world right now? It is name brand Germex.
Close your eyes. We just want to dissolve all those little oils on top of that brow because we're going to be gluing them down. I'm going to keep a little bit of your tiny little piece right here for I have something to work off of.
Okay.
Here. Brand new glue stick just for my friend. Close your eyes.
Oh,
Yes.
sorry.
Don't you guys. So we're going to go against the grain first.
Oh, happy day.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye.
How's that feel?
Why is that the most satisfying thing I have ever felt? That's like that. I did not know I needed to feel that until I just felt that.
So the great thing about Elmer's glue, it's very like water soluble, so you can like wipe it. I usually just use my spit because it's water soluble as well. I have cough. I feel like you do all the things I don't think of, and like I feel like it's like vice versa. I don't know, because like I see you slay at work all the time, and I'm like so proud of you when it comes to that kind of
Oh,
stuff.
you're so sweet to me.
I just love taking care of people. That's like my favorite.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's like my thing.
Yeah.
Like makeup, I love to do makeup just because I love to work with people. Whoa, she has never looked better.
Purple people eater.
Back to eating babies.
Katya's out in the middle of the
Full circle. You set them free.
Set them free. Let it ring. We're taking some Clown White, loose powder, with a little Laura Mercier dropped on the ground.
Alright, she glows.
Powder puff. Oh, look at my bicep. Yeah. Okay.
I just vacuumed.
You can save your alibi. I already
My brain wouldn't even let me like formulate words for it. It's just that messed up. It's like the House of a Thousand Corpses that you said was a great film. Word for word.
Okay,
I'm still not.
that's the one with
okay.
the Spalding guy, the clown. Because I always get that
Yes.
People Under the Stairs. Do you know what I'm talking about? I get that mixed up with House of a Thousand Corpses.
Oh.
People on the Stairs have a VHS. But no, yeah, that's a scary one. Because
Horrible.
Dwight's in that.
Yes.
Yes.
Rainn Wilson. That is...
It's a horrible movie.
one day you will see. I found my inner peace. You are Julie's in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when you say I die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 And one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh.
Perfect.
I feel like we made like tape ears. Like we gave you like different ears. We're gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna snatch it.
To turn into a cat, one must be a dog first.
Love Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. I love that movie.
Lollipop.
Sweet. Sweet treat.
Sweet. Yes. Oh.
The Squidward.
girl.
No, Squidward's like this.
Yes.
I always say Squidward nose, but it's like
No, Squidward is...
carrot snowman nose. Lumiere.
Nightmare Before... No, Nightmare Before Christmas, what I'm talking about. Oh, the three... That
Christmas Carol.
One. The Christmas Carol.
This is gonna be the worst part of the whole.
God.
Is this what it takes? Is this what it takes to be your
You
friend?
use pain.
See how that's on there?
Oh, yes, I do.
What's this eyeshadow going
I just know what's coming next.
Oh, that, yeah. We're gonna try putting contacts in Abby. She's never worn contacts before. This is the TTDI contacts in the color Cat Eye Blue. We're gonna try it, and if it doesn't work, that's fine. I already told her, that's fine. So we're gonna try it. I'm gonna wash my hands really good, and I'll be right back. Here we go. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry.
I'm trying.
I know you are. Just
let
think
it in.
big. Think big.
Think goose.
Big! Big! Think big and just close.
Okay.
It's one of those things the more it sits in, because like your eye's not red at all.
It's like fake eyelashes.
Kinda, yeah.
It's like not
You look
awful.
so X-Men right now. Like you look so like badass.
Okay. Accepting.
Your eyelid likes to curve.
She's a curvy girl.
She's curving me. You got curves, baby.
My top
It's a
lip
contact.
went down.
Oh no, I must wash you off now, little baby. Little baby. I dropped you again. I just need fresh contact liquid. What'd you drop? And then close really slow. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Let me get you some eye drops, because I think that will make you feel so much better.
Woo!
Eye drops? Eye drops. I got watches. I got eye drops. Mustache, you a question?
I'm like jealous of your mustache. I didn't even like think to do that. It's just like I want something right there, I guess.
I've never been able to do this.
It's beautiful.
Thanks.
What do you mean?
I-
I'm not that full?
I don't know. Like, I feel like I've always just like shaved it off. And now I haven't done a
Now
video
you're
in a
just
while of myself, so I'm like,
embracing it?
I'm gonna shave it off when I do a video or something, but I think I'm gonna keep growing it back.
Do it.
Yeah.
Full stash.
Full
All the
stash.
time.
Yeah, I think it's gonna, I don't know. I think it's my like,
Free rides.
Thing.
Can you say
But it's
that?
like-
Can you say free rides when you're in K? Yeah, you can still,
yeah,
you can still do that.
I do that all the time.
Oh,
Yes.
good.
I beat around the bush all the time. What are you talking about? Yes, we made it through. I love that so much. I'm so proud of you.
All thanks to you.
That's amazing. So I got these little guys. It came in a 100-piece professional tensions lip makeup, whatever. But it's actually like a eyeshadow guard, and it has a sticker on it, and I'm in love with them. So I'm gonna use 2 of those on her right now.
Oh. If I could purr.
Oh, there's no Adam's apple, never mind. You were like Swan Lake.
No.
You were like
Lake.
Swan Lake, baby. We're
That
gonna
was my favorite
put
Barbie movie to watch whenever I was a little girl.
Swan Lake.
Yeah.
That was, yes, that was. Hi, little boy.
Little angel.
You need to get in here. Get up here.
You might break your back on the steel wooden desk. Little Ponto.
It's Ponyo.
Panorita.
Ponyorita. Okay, come on, Bubba.
Yeah, I definitely feel
Move it,
like
move it, move it.
X-Men.
Huh?
I feel like an X-Men.
Yeah, this looks already amazing, and we haven't even like started the eye makeup yet.
Yes.
They're good.
It's
on
probably
you.
'cause I was, like,
oh
lifting.
my god!
Then I look
You're
insane.
Here and you see the blue. Oh my god!
Yeah.
Girl, it's gonna be badass.
Yes. We're gonna do the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard 'cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling. The wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on 'cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm falling to your picture.
Sex Kitten by Tarte, and it's got a little cat on the top of it. I thought it'd be perfect. So this was my inspiration that I drew, and I got this inspiration from the doll maker Hextian. He's constantly doing like all these like winged kind of beautiful eyeshadow moments, and that's what this is. Inspired by that, not completely that, but I'm going to plot out the eyeliner and all that good stuff in there first. So I just got a little something to work off of. Artist Couture palette and Caliente. And I really love this like pinky kind of color right there. So we're going to use that as like a gradient kind of around everything. It's going to be fabulous.
I would just pay someone to rub brushes on my face for a couple hours. I don't have anywhere to go. Just can you?
I tried
Don't
that.
use any color.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me. Little sweet
Okay. Now we're going to go back in with that pinky color that we used earlier.
Do you remember that one time
Yes.
when you made me go see Cats? What kind of movie theater has a movie at 8 in the morning on Christmas? We were one of what? 8 people in the theater?
Yeah. I think we were. I think we definitely were. That was, you walked in, she walked in with no shoes on. And she's like carrying them on her. I loved it. It was so
All I
funny.
have are heels.
We're waiting in line and Abby says, man, what's this movie even about? I don't even know what this movie's about. My mom goes, Cats!
I'm obsessed with yellow right now.
Yes.
Really?
Yes! Oh my god, that's why.
I did not expect this to be as gold as it is.
That's beautiful.
And I'm gonna even put some more, you know that kimchi stuff I got you?
Yes.
I'm gonna use that today. I still haven't
Golden
used it.
shards.
Golden shards.
Shard on me.
Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all.
Okay, now we're gonna fill in the eyeliner with the Jet Waterproof Cream color. Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics. And yeah, here we go.
I got just a little small angle brush right here. We got it for $5.95 at your local yard sale. I'm just kidding.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my.
That's what I call a black eye.
It's the only kind of fights I get in.
You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the street light at the young, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Meet under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden.
Yeah, this is reading really feline. This is
Oh.
reading exactly how I pictured.
Oh, that came out. Oh my god. Becky, look at that snatch.
with my NYX Blanc.
Eye glistening, no, I saw it.
I'll do another flick once I get the foundation on.
Flick.
Swish and flick when God in
I was
Leviosa.
thinking Bug's Life. Flick.
Oh, flick the bug, the,
The
blue
bug.
one.
The
main
blue one. The
character.
ant.
We're gonna color correct. So we're gonna do just a little bit underneath the eye.
Could show you're golden. You're golden. You're golden. You're golden.
We have color corrected, and now we're just gonna set that with a little bit of powder. I'm gonna take a powder brush here, do some airspun. I love airspun.
Grandma.
Grandma.
So fresh.
Hi, Grandma. Love you, Grandma. And we're just gonna set all that stuff that we just put down for color corrector.
Oh, buffering. Buffers.
And then we're gonna go in with some Tarte Face Tape Foundation. And I think that's not foundation. Abby has a petite head.
Small face.
I usually go 3 times the amount from that.
Wow. Big face.
Undo the undo the golden. You're golden. You're golden. You're golden. Golden.
Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100.
This is a trick I like to do. This is one of my favorites. So you take a much lighter one. And you can say product and you don't have to go all the way down. Because once you get down to that area,
You're the most brilliant person.
once you get down here, you can start meshing this stuff up and together.
For the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, I'ma get on my face. I got a taste, want the whole plate.
Double duty beauty booty, Shape Tape, Tarte.
Double duty.
You don't mind if I go straight to it, do you?
No.
We're gonna go right here.
I know it's us made for this, paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like.
Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it is in the Mink Stick
Oh.
Mink
Oh.
Stick Foundation.
Mink stink.
Minker Stinkers.
My mentos, I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life, every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chase my peers, that I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. First off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel. supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah.
Before I do anything, I want to get that heart drawn on there one more time just to bring her out even more.
Hurt me, baby, one more time.
My loneliness on nose of bridge and bridge to Terabithia.
Oh, tragic movie.
Oh my
so
god.
sad.
Yes.
For children, like, why did you do that to us?
It's perfect. Now I'm gonna go with the nesting bitch face palette.
These names are just right on the money.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Now we're gonna cut some cheek and then do some blood.
I'm getting freaky. Yeah, what you gonna do when I come? Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I can.
Oh, it's really shiny too. I love that. Cute.
Aww,
That's cute.
adorable.
I love
I'm getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky, freaky on. Get that freaky, freaky on. Getting freaky. Get it right, get it right. Get that freaky, freaky on. 챙겨 보고다가 getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky, freaky on. Get that freaky, freaky. Getting freaky. Get it right, get it right. 상관하지 마. I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky, freaky on, get that freaky, freaky on. That freaky, freaky. I'm getting freaky, get it right, get it right. 상관하지 마. I'll be on the top, top killer. I'll be on the top, the top winner. I'll be on the top, top killer. I'll be on the top, 'cause I own it, know it, I'm a red. I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky, freaky on, get that freaky, freaky. I'm getting freaky, get it right, get it right. Get that freaky, freaky on, 챙겨보.
Wet and Wild. Nagala highlighting powder. Look how pretty this is.
Ooh.
It's like champagne. Yeah.
Get it right, get it right. 상관하지 마.
Now we're gonna layer another one. And it's the Ofra Star Island.
Oh.
It's kind of got like a yellowy, goldeny kind of effect to it.
I'm obsessed.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Killer. I'll be on the top, the top winner. I'll be on the top,
Yes.
That lip. They have a name for those. We don't have to talk about it.
DCLs? DSLs. DCLs. Sounds like an internet
What
service.
does C stand for?
That's called bisexual.
Yes.
That's called bisexual.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is so beat. I can't wait for lashes because that's like my favorite part, to be honest. We're gonna do a set of 301s. And we're gonna probably angle this one up a little bit on this side. And then we're gonna customize with a little bit of some unicorn skin cosmetics. So I'm excited about that. It's gonna be cute.
Unicorn.
Can I be your star tonight?
I'm gonna use these for the under eye.
My soul will light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for any time.
That makes me feel like it's gonna mesh with the whiskers really good. Speaking of, let's do the whiskers!
Brandy and Mr.
Eternally, I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, 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 high.
Tell them what your name is.
Now we're gonna put on the outfit and the. You said I love it. We're gonna put on the outfit, we're gonna put on the wig and little finishing touches, and we will be right back.
I'm about to stop. You with the close stop. Stop it.
I'm obsessed.
Good.
I don't ever want to be human again. Thank you so much for having me. This was an amazing experience. I'm obsessed. I cannot stay out of my phone. It's everything Merle. And I love it.
Transformation. I love you so much.
Thank
sweetheart.
you.
I love you so much. I'm so glad we did this.
Yes. I didn't realize how much I snapped until I put my mittens on.
How do you think Robin Williams felt when he had hairy knuckles? He probably could have snapped too much, but I never see him snap. That's the one thing I probably
Hairy
never saw him
knuckles,
do.
not hairy palms.
I thought you were saying Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Always
Harry
Harry Potter.
Potter. Ronald Weasley. I am absolutely disgusted. If you step another toe out of line, you'll be sent straight home. And Jenny, dear, your father and
Keep
I
on
are
fucking
so
Harry.
proud for you making Gryffindor.
Get that Potter blood, baby. Get that Potter blood.
I'm gonna give myself a scar really quick before we end this.
I'll give you a scar.
The boy who lived.
Bye, baby.
Ponyo, get in here in this video. Get up here. Come on up here.
Come here. Big
Come
Ponyo.
on. Jump it.
Yeah.
Do a little spine twirl. You're a big boy. Get up here.
Come on. Come here.
Get up there.
Come
on.
Yeah.
There we go, big
There's the
boy.
guy. See, dogs and cats can get along. If you just take enough coffee and,
You're gonna scratch the mesh of the dress.
don't scratch her.
Big Ponyo.
He's a sweetest little baby. Oh, it's mom and dad and baby.
Mom and dad and baby.
Happy baby.
Cat dog.
And Harry.
And Harry Potter. We love you guys. Have a great night, day. It's 4 o'clock somewhere. We love you.
We're gone.
Bye.
Adios. Muchachos.
No scratchers.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.